Are you still hard coding objects with a new everywhere? That's like super gluing your code together. And if one thing changes, everything breaks. There is a design pattern that fixes this, and most devs don't even know they are already using it. Here's the biggest problem. Most beginners glue their code together with new all over the place. But there's a smarter way to let your code say what it needs and let other pieces decide how to build it. That's the factory method pattern. And today I will show you how it works in Java with a real example you can copy right now. First, the product. Here is our button interface. Every button can render itself and respond to a click. Think of this as the contract all buttons must follow. Now, two actual buttons, Windows button and HTML button. Same interface, different styles. That's polymorphism. Same request, different response. But here's where it gets interesting. How do we choose which button to use without hard coding it? This is the trick. Instead of creating buttons directly, we can create dialog. The dialog has a factory method createButton. It doesn't know which button it will return, it just promises to give us one. Now subclasses, like Windows dialog or Web dialog. Decide which button to build, that's the factory method in action. The subclasses choose the object, not you. And here's where it gets powerful. Adding a new button type doesn't break the old code. In our client code, we just ask for a dialog. The factory takes care of the rest. Notice how clean this is. No new all over the place, just one choice up front. The benefits and drawbacks of using factory method design pattern. Flexibility. Adding new products without changing the old code. Less coupling. Main logic doesn't care which class is used. Drawbacks. More classes, more complexity, sometimes overkill. So that's a factory method in Java. Clean, flexible, but don't overuse it. Now I want to hear from you. Which design pattern should I break down next? Observer, abstracts factory? Drop your pick in the comments below. If this helps you, smash that like button, share it with your dev friends, and subscribe to join this community of curious code-loving builders. Until the next time, keep learning, keep experimenting. I'll see you in the next one.